Most people completely forget that every single purchase on Google Play earns them points. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem those points for free store credits. By doing this, you will never have to pay full price again. Before you can convert any points, you have to make sure your account is actually activated. Just open the Google Play Store, go to your profile, tap Play Points, and hit Join for free. If you can't find Play Points in your Google Play Store, that usually means the feature isn't supported in your country yet, or you need to switch to an eligible region. If your Google account doesn't support Play Points yet, drop a comment below and I'll show you how to get it working step by step. I set up this Google Play account just a couple of days ago to show you how to easily redeem your points for real Play Store credits. Now let's switch over to my main account where I've been collecting points so I can show you how to cash them out. Earning Play Points is simple, as you get points for completing quick offers, downloading featured apps, and making everyday purchases. I've already collected over 1,000 Play Points completely for free just by downloading apps. Plus, checking your weekly perks is an easy way to stack up free bonuses. Don't forget to claim these free weekly prize pool rewards every single week to boost your balance even faster. Now that we have stacked up enough points, it is time for the best part, spending them. When you head over to the Use tab at the top of your screen, you can choose exactly how you want to redeem your points. You will see a massive list of options here. You can grab exclusive in-game items, claim special discount coupons for your favorite apps, or do what we are going to do today, convert them directly into pure Google Play credits. As you can see on my screen right now, I currently have exactly $0 in Google Play credit, so let's change that right now. Let's cash out these hard-earned points step by step together and top up our balance. To get started, I use the Play Points Use option, and from there, I scroll down and look specifically for the Play Credit feature. Once you click on that, a menu pops up where we can choose exactly how many Play Points we want to spend to get our Play credit. The math is actually really simple. Usually, 1,000 Play Points can be redeemed for around $10 US in Play credit, depending on the available reward options in your specific region. For this tutorial, I don't want to spend all my points at once, so here I got $5 US in Play credit for just 500 Play Points. It is literally instantly added to the account. However, there is one very important rule you guys need to remember. Usually, we can only keep the Play credit in our account for up to 1 year, so we need to make sure we use it before it expires. If you buy an app and still have some change left over, if you have any remaining credit, it's always a really good idea to check the expiration date on your account and make sure to use it before the deadline hits so you don't lose your free money. And that brings us to the end of the video. If you check your account and you don't have Google Play Points yet, leave a comment below and let me know. We can talk about how to get Play Points for free and explore different ways you can earn more points without spending any real money. So leave a comment down below and I'll share more tips with you in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button.